Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of learning C programming. Question is to find sum of digits of a given number. Let's understand the question which will helps you to write the source code. Now question is to take one input number. Let's see that the input number is 364. You can take any number. Now, so after you read this number through scanf statement, then you have to calculate sum of digits. Earlier program, we were seen about how to extract each digit from the whole number, correct? We were calculated modulo operation so that it will be very easy to get each number out, correct? We'll be going to do the same. Added line is what? Once after you took or you extract each digit from the whole number, we'll be going to add to the sum variable. So initially we'll take sum is equal to 0 and we'll perform extraction from this whole number. If you apply modulo formula on this number, first digit, 4 digit will be in output, correct? So this 4 will be added to sum. That means sum is equal to sum plus this value. So this value we have to save into a variable, right? Now what we'll be going to do is, let's take 3 variables. Now reminder is the variable, sum is the variable and n. Reminder indicates you this answer, sum indicates you this answer, n indicates you this number. Now these are what 3 variables what going to be useful in the program. Fine. So individual digits are going to be added and the sum, the final sum will be going to display. What is the value of 364? 13 is the answer if my input is 364. Now, let's trace this code. We all know why I'm writing hash include stdio.h. It's a preprocessor directive and stdio.h is the file where it contains printf and scanf. That's the reason I'm including this macro into my program. And int main is the main function. Now let's see, I told you in the beginning that I have to take this value. Which value? 364 value. It is unknown to the user. Let it be known to the user through a variable which is int n. This is, we say, declaring a variable or else declaration of a variable. Now we were declared a variable to ensure to which data type it belongs, but we did not given any kind of value over here. To put value into n, these two statements will be helpful. Naturally, printf helps you to understand what it is. It's a display statement. It's an optional statement. This statement is what? Reading statement. Through this, we'll read a value. And int sum is equal to 0, comma reminder. So that's what I told you. Sum is my output variable. Reminder also output variable which gives you extraction of each digit. Now, while n not equals to 0, what does it mean? When this number is 0, finally, I will not calculate sum of the digits, correct? Now, before you write any program, let's think about the logic statement when you will get output. I mean, in which cases you will get output, in which cases you will not get. So, here I'm just putting a condition. When I'm extracting the number from individual, once it will become 0, correct? So, when it becomes 0, I need not to calculate. When it is not equal to 0, I have to calculate or else I have to extract the numbers. Once after I extracted, I have to add that number to sum. Now, let's trace this logic. The logic is what? While n not equals to 0. Now, I told you in the beginning that my n value is what? 364 I took. N value is what? 364. Now let's trace it. While condition n is 364 not equal to 0. Condition is true. When condition is true, we'll get inside into the block. Now what is there? Remainder is equal to n is what? 364. Percentile 10. That means earlier program we were seeing the logic of this, how it operates. Now remainder will store the value of 4. Correct? Now come down. So in the down we have a statement which is sum is equal to sum plus remainder. So what is sum? Initially we took as 0. Now let you substitute 0 here. Remainder is holding 4. 0 plus 4, answer is 4. Now n is equal to n by 10. What is n? 364. 364 by 10. Now 10, 364, 36. 364 is remainder. When you perform modulo operation, remainder will be the answer. When you perform division operation, this quotient will be the answer. Now n will hold a value which is 36. Now this is what the first iteration of the loop. Now let's see second iteration. Now n value became 36. This is what n. Now substitute. Now I'm just writing the second statement. While loop is repeated for second time, we will just go back to the loop. Now this time n value, this n not equal to 0. We'll just erase and we'll see the second iteration how it will be. Right. Now with n value 0, we'll enter in, with n value 36, we'll enter here. We'll enter here. Now what is n value? 36. 36 not equals to 0. Condition true. When condition true, will come inside. Compiler will come inside to execute. Now n value is what? 36, percentile 10. Now remainder is what? 6. Now already sum is holding 4 as its value. Correct? Now 4 plus remainder. Remainder is what? 6. 4 plus 6, sum updated to 10. Now n is equal to n by 10. What is n? 36 by 10. Now the coefficient value will be going to return to n. Now again loop repeats with what? Now we just take the variables. N is equal to 364. Now this time we updated n value to what? 3. And some value is what? 10. Correct? Now we have the other variable which is remainder. It is n, it is sum, it is remainder. Now again we were repeating the loop. For this time n value is 3. Now n value is 3. 3 not equal to 0. Condition true will come inside. 3 percentile 10. So when you are performing modulo operation with 3, we'll return the value as 3. Now sum is already holding the value of 10. 10 plus the result value is 3. 10 plus 3. Sum is updated to 13. Now n value is 3. 3 by 10. We are dividing 3 by 10. N value will be point. Correct? Now with this value we'll repeat. Now this time n value became 0. 0 not equal to 0. Condition false. Will not let inside. Will come out of the block. Out of the block is what? This and this will be not execute for this time. We'll come to printf. What the value is there in sum? 13. Now our output is 13. So this is what the program. Now we'll see how execution part of the program. Now, so in this execution, the same logic I wrote, whatever logic we were discussed just now, the same logic it is available. Now let's execute this. So it is asking me to enter an integer. We'll check the program with the discussed input, which is 364. What is the expected answer? 13. Sum is equal to 13. So this is what output of the sum of individual digits. You can check this code with the other input, right? Thank you all.